Classical Feng Shui Masters says 2026 will test rabbits' patience. That calm years hide unseen risks. At Imperial Harvest, we see 2026 differently. The rabbit's grace is not fragility, it's refined strength. This is not a year of waiting, it is a year of graceful advancement, guided by virtue, precision, and alignment. In 2026, 4 benevolent stars, sky happiness, prosperity, heavenly virtue, and fortune virtue, bless the rabbit with rare alignment. Opportunities arise through sincerity and good timing, not force. Still, curled tongue and anosha reminds us, composure is your strength. Move with awareness, speak with calm, and every step forward becomes refined progress. The Prosperity Star amplifies growth in both career and investment. Clear debts, save systematically, and channel surplus into long-term security. Avoid speculation. Fortune this year rewards patience and planning. Give with discernment. Generosity, when measured, multiplies wealth. Heavenly virtue brings promotion and influence, a year when reputation and results rise together. Review details, protect confidentiality, and prioritize quality over speed. Diplomacy will open doors that ambition alone cannot. Through humility and grace, your work becomes your legacy. Energy runs high under auspicious stars, yet balance remains essential. Align rest with routine, meals with moderation, and thought with stillness. Cherish health as your truest form of abundance. When body and mind flow in harmony, every day renews your fortune. The Sky Happiness Star brings warmth and celebration, engagement, reunions, joyful beginnings, yet curled tongue and salty pool caution against careless words or fleeting attraction. Listen deeply, act sincerely. When you honor connection with patience, affection transforms into trust. At Imperial Harvest, we do not chase luck, we design destiny. Your Imperial Path's blueprint reveals when to advance, when to preserve. Each treasure, consecrated jadeite, agarwood or ring, activates clarity, attracts benefactors, and anchors peace. Through alignment, virtue becomes velocity. Classical Feng Shui says to wait for luck to turn. Imperial Feng Shui teaches you destiny turns when you align with it. For the rabbit, 2026 is a year of grace, where calm reveals opportunity and humility transforms into power. Begin the year with clarity. Claim your Imperial Harvest Path's Blueprint 2026 and turn sincerity into strength, balance into brilliance, and grace into destiny.